let's get right into it. First, open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Now expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Find your audio device. It could say Realtek, Intel, NVIDIA, or your headset name. Right-click it, select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to check and install the best driver. Next, expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Find your speakers or headphones device, right-click it, select Update Driver, and again, choose Search automatically for drivers. Now go back to the Start menu, type Services, and open it. Click anywhere inside the list, then press the W key on your keyboard to jump down the list. Find Windows Audio and double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service status is not running, click Start. Click Apply, then OK. Now right-click Windows Audio and select Restart. Solution 3. Open the Start menu, type Sound Settings, and open it. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings. Go to the Playback tab, find your speakers/headphones, right-click it, and select Properties. Now open the Spatial Sound tab. Click the drop-down and select Windows Sonic for headphones, or any spatial option you see. Click Apply, then OK. Important: if you still don't see the Spatial Sound tab, restart your PC first, then repeat the steps after reboot. Usually Solutions 1 and 2 make the spatial options appear again. And that's it.